In this video, I will show you how to use the new Instagram frames. First, you want to make sure the app is the latest version by checking in on either the Google Play Store or Apple Store. Next, open the app. Create a story by tapping on the top left corner. Select a picture you want to use. I will be using this snow mountain image. After that, go ahead and tap on the icon on the top. A menu will show and you want to find and select the frame option. I will select the sunset image to be in the frame. Now the frame will show on top of the previous snow mountain image. You can add captions to it. I will add the text, great memories, and a heart emoji. You can also adjust and position the frame to where you like it. Once you are happy with it, tap on the white button on the bottom right and select your story. Tap on Share, then select Done if you don't want to share it with more people. You will be taken back to the main section of Instagram. To see your story, tap on the top left corner again. You will want to shake your phone or tap on the frame image for it to appear. Thanks for watching.